Am I the a-hole for rejecting a girl as revenge? So, to start off, maybe, it was a bit petty of me to be honest. Anyway, I asked this girl Clara out on a date about a year ago. I was a completely different person then, and she turned me down. It stung like hell, but it did encourage me to better myself. Since then I've gotten in better shape, became more confident, and generally I've had more luck with girls. I still never forgot what made me improve though, and that will always be a terrible memory. Anyway, me and a few friends I've made since last year went out to a gathering. I'm still fairly new in their circle, and surprise, Clara was there. I think she recognized me, but I wasn't sure. Me and her hit it off, and at the end of the night we had a date planned. The date went pretty well and we went on our second one last Friday. After this I went home and thought about where to go next, and I realized I couldn't really forgive her. So, she hit me up asking if we were going out again, and I sort of made a joke of it, blew it off and put her on mute. I haven't responded since then, and our mutual friends say she's been pretty upset, since she gets attached to people quickly, but the revenge I got was so sweet. But, maybe I was an a-hole though. What does Reddit think?
Well guys, OP is definitely an a-hole and very petty for what he did. However, I know that some people reject others to boost their egos, and more often than not a guy who was rejected by a girl and felt broken after that is likely to use that girl if, by chance, he ever gets to be with her. So ladies, if you have rejected a guy, worse if you did so in a way that really destroyed his ego, please do not try to be in a serious relationship with said guy, or you will be crying your eyes out while he is laughing with himself or with his friends. And fellas, I know rejection never feels good, but there is a popular quote by the late great Bob Marley which says, "If she's amazing, she won't be easy. And if she's easy, she won't be amazing. If she's worth it, you won't give up. And if you give up, you're not worthy." Truth is, everybody is going to hurt you, you just gotta find the ones worth suffering for. With that said guys, do not take a girl rejecting you to heart. Not everyone will like you, and maybe it was the approach, or maybe she just wasn't in the right frame of mind to appreciate who you are at the time of rejection. So, always like who likes you, because that makes the relationship easier on both sides. Additionally guys, always remember that the biggest coward of a man is to awaken the love of a woman without the intention of loving her. Likewise ladies, if you mess around with a man's heart and trick him into thinking you are into him only to have ulterior motives. Anyway, maybe OP is not an a-hole and I am the one misinterpreting the revenge story, so let's hear what other people think about the situation. Also, comment below your thoughts and let us start a discussion.
You the a-hole. Revenge for what? Do you think she had some obligation to go on a date with you just because you asked? Not only that, but you organized a date, then flaked and ghosted her. Darn man. That isn't just an a-hole, that's like a post-very hot courier level of being a raging a-hole. I know, right? If he's a better person now, what kind of a-hole was he before is what I wanna know. He's not a better person, he's just in better shape. I've mixed those two up before when I was younger. Sounds like he was previously overweight and obviously pretty salty about getting rejected. Note to OP. No one is obligated to be attracted to you, and physical attractiveness does not have any relationship to whether you're a good person or not. For real. Brickhead doesn't make an effort to appeal to women. Brickhead then makes an effort to appeal to women. Brickhead gets a date. Brickhead ghosts her because it turns out he's still not making an effort on his personality, and is just as shallow as he perceived her to be. Hey OP, Big Brother here, just want to say that having relationships is way better than being petty. Know why? Because pettiness becomes a trait that you carry into adulthood and manifests as even worse traits, like dishonesty, manipulation, and revenge. Not good for the modern man. But relationships on the other hand are awesome. Yes, painful and awkward at times, but well worth it. Why? Because you get companionship, great experiences with your partner, you get to learn about yourself and learn about women, really important. And let's not forget sex and intimacy. Great things. Really the coolest things ever, way better than pettiness and future isolation. So, consider growing up a bit and being a good man, who doesn't hold on to resentment, and who shows up kind and respectful in every situation. Love you, bro.
Well, with that said guys, please subscribe to the channel for more cheating stories, revenge stories and Reddit stories like this Am I the A-hole story. Also, please like the video to push the video to other people who will like this type of content. Thank you for watching, I'll catch you in the next one, love.